bro. My TA is good. And don't forget to wash your hands. 30 seconds. Lots of soap. My TA is good, but my psychology is effed. Why is that? What part of your psychology is effed? Have you pinpointed it? I agree with Sullivan. Every time I trim it, take profit, the excess goes to break even or trailing stop. And that's fine. If it goes to trailing stop, that's all right. Break even, it just happens sometimes. You're gonna have a lot of trades in your life that go break even, but it only takes one winner a week or one winner every 2 weeks that runs on a live account to equal out that risk reward. Had my best trade of my career today because of your video. Can't wait to hopefully get into that mentorship. Hey, that's awesome, bro. Just keep staying consistent with it, my man. Great job, Antonio. Here's the thing, guys. Here's what I try to explain is that, yes, I'm a huge fan of using the 15-minute orb as a reference, and we can find some good trades and good trends by using the top, the bottom, and the middle end. Okay? But the biggest thing here is knowing how to read candlesticks and knowing how to manage your risk. That is why I always say you can trade fair value gaps. You can trade breakup structures in the 4-hour or ICT SMTs, whatever you're trading. What will make you profitable is your ability to manage risk, define risk, set it, and follow your plan. That's literally it. The best traders in the world, they all follow their plan. They know how to read price action. One thing I always say is that the more confusing you make something, the more you can charge for it. That's why a lot of those ICT guys, they make super bank selling these super, oh, what the fuck? There's a wasp in my house. Oh, hell no. Oh, you're fucked, buddy. You fucked with the wrong house. You fucked with the wrong fucking... Boom, bitch! Not up in here! Gotta make sure I killed it. Where'd it go? Because now if I didn't kill it, it's gonna be pissed off. All right, I'm actually very concerned. I can't find it. I know I hit it. Why the fuck? Oh! Woo! I thought I felt it. Bro, this wasp is terrorizing me, bro. Where the F is it? Because now I pissed it off. Should I be scared right now, guys? Do I have an angry hornet? Oh, it's because I left my window open. That's why. Not up in here. Yeah, right. You don't mess with the team bull house, baby. You have around and find out. Oh my gosh, that freaking was. See, now I think I'm feeling shit, dude. I got like on meth or something. Where's the wasp? Where's the wasp? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was not without that got the adrenaline moving. That was good. Bad day to be a wasp in the J Dunn house. Bad day to be a wasp. Bad day to be a wasp. Someone's gonna create a YouTube on you with that one. Yeah, I think I think I'm recording it too. My father. This price action is doo-doo right now, guys. Terrible. Give us something. We got 15 more minutes. Maybe algo time will give us something. Maybe algo time will give us something. Do you ever cut a winning trade short based on a specific candle or volume? Wait, sorry, Rodon. Do you ever cut a winning trade short, comma, based on a specific candle or volume? Sometimes. I really like to follow my original plan, but let's say we're in here and we're just contains themes, the Damn, they just restricted my live visibility on TikTok because I said M3TH. That's crazy. Well, that's what it felt like. I felt like a tweaker. What am I supposed to do about it? But what I was saying is that if we're consolidating, and especially if I'm trading options, okay, futures, not as much, but especially options, if we're just sitting there going back and forth, and theta decay is crushing my position, then yes, I'll cut it. But for futures, oftentimes I find my best holds are when I have a hard stop and I just chill. How many points on average should I risk per trade? It depends. It doesn't matter how much you risk. And I mean that. So let's say you have, just for example's sake, let's say you have 5 MNQ. You go really light. You go half of a mini. If you go half of a mini, for myself at least, I would give myself maybe an extra 10, 20 points. So let's say macro position, okay? Pretend this is a daily chart. It's not. It's a 5-minute chart. But so if I want to have a wider stop loss because I believe in the overall position, I might go lighter size here, keep a bigger stop down here, and try to shoot for the stars. Let me move this over a little bit. And try to shoot for the stars up here. So less position size gives you more breathing room. If you're trading heavy, you have to make sure that your risk is very managed. So you go heavy here, you might have your stops here instead, go for a 2-3R to the upside, and you manage it that way. It's all about how much you're risking versus what your reward is. So for me, you'll hear me say, guys, hey, I'm starting this light. Sometimes
order filled.
Say if I like shorts at this level, okay? If I like shorts up here and we're right here, I might start a light position here with room to add here and here. But if I'm adding here, I'm using less size because I'm going to eat that extra drawdown if the trade doesn't go my way. That's what it's all about. And that's how you guys have to think of it. Dude, I'm all freaked out about this wasp, man. I prefer low risk in points and go heavier, but that makes it lower probability and makes timing that much more important. See, I don't like having to be perfect on time. Maybe I'm wrong in this. Let me know what you guys think. It stresses me out thinking that I have to have the perfect entry. So if I can use less size and have a little less perfect entry, that's a net win for not only my P&L, but for my mindset and my stress too. Less size, less perfect entry, more room to breathe equals typically more money. So yeah, even if let's say I take this trade right here, okay? Let's say I take this trade right here, and I wanted my entry to be here with stops above this candle. So if I take a trade here, I'm going to eat that extra 10-point loss here with less size. So I can stomach that. If my normal size is 2 minis, or let's say 20 MNQ, if I take 5 MNQ here, this extra 10 points won't hurt me. But guess what? If we reject here with 5 MNQ, I'm still going to catch this move, right? I'm not going to miss the move. I'm going to catch it. I won't make as much, but also I wasn't going to risk as much if I was wrong here and I got cooked on the way up. I prefer to enter close to my stop. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, bro. What PC do you recommend for trading and streaming? Oh man, you just need a really nice graphics card. All my computers are built. So I recently upgraded because I was streaming a few different softwares at once, and I have Edge Pro and TOS up. My old graphics card, I had a 4070, I think, was just having a tough time because I was streaming a lot of services at once, plus Discord, plus Zoom.
Order submitted.
So I upgraded. You don't need a 5080 unless you're doing everything that I'm doing, which not a lot of people do. I don't mean that arrogantly. It's just a lot at one time. Holy crap, look at that algo time. I don't play any PC games. I'm not much of a gamer. I'll play Madden sometimes. I'll cook anyone mad and trust. But I've been more so in grind mode. We're still in the 15-minute range, so it's really tough for me to take a trade. Real tough. Algo time. It wasn't news, it was algo time. MOC orders. Yep. Personal question. What was your drug of can't even say the word drug. What was your drug of choice back in the day? Oh man, I was a bad kid. I did just about everything, man. That was a lot. I was a whole different life. Feels like a whole different lifetime. I mean, I haven't even touched W33D, the ganj, in what, 7 years? I did go to East. I got expelled from East. I was a bad kid. Hey, that's awesome, Jonathan. That's not an easy task, man. That's not an easy task, bro. Opiates suck. They're such a hard addiction for people to kick. It was never personally mine, but unfortunately I knew people, and it's really hard. I still have not drank. Yep. I think I'm going to go another year. I planned myself to go another year. I've been sober for 1 year. May 5th of 2024 was my last day, or the day I started being clean. So 365, almost 375 days of no alcohol. I just don't have any urge to drink. I planned on just a year. I just wanted to prove to myself I could spend year 28 of my life not drinking. Honestly, I just don't have any urge for it. It's not that I think I'm macho man not drinking or that I was even an aggressive alcoholic, because I wasn't. I wouldn't even drink that much. I have no interest in doing it. It doesn't serve me anymore. I've been really happy. I've been crushing it in my trading, been crushing it in my business. I don't have any need for it. I mean, I don't think a glass of wine would kill me, but I don't really want to. All right, let's see here. Just sucks we're below this 15-minute. I don't serve it anymore. Nope. From someone who hasn't had a drink since 1993. Wow, man, that's awesome. What's 2003, 13, 23? So 32 years? Damn, that's impressive, Wayne. Good for you. Good for you, Wayne. That's dope. 10 years sober from Chris. Nope. See, that was my biggest problem. Where Santi, you said not even. I'm not saying anything negative towards you. I said not even when you take your girl for a nice dinner. So that was initially when I stopped drinking, or when you're cutting any bad habit. The addiction mind is going to tell you, oh man, you can quit now. But what about when you go to that Nuggets game? What about the nice dinner? What about hockey?
Order submitted. Stop filled.